Okay, just me and the dog down at the Brooklyn Copper Workshop. Just wanted to go through our range of taps available for you to go on our showers. Starting with our classic fire tap, based on the kind of valve you see on firefighting equipment, as with all our taps available in brass and copper finish. Okay, so these are the stick taps, completely manufactured in-house, either a brass or a copper bar as the handle, solid brass or copper. We also offer them as a custom order in a lever style with the centre offset. And I just finished those ones off with a little bit of vision on the Belongil shower with the stick taps. Next one we have just a simple T-tap, similar to what you see on your garden tap. Looking at those pictures, you can see that the finishes are going to weather, they're going to discolour, but they're not going to deteriorate or rust. That's the good thing about copper and brass. Moving a little bit up market, we've got our cross tap, classic style. Looks great on any of our showers, really lifts them. Great option. So I hope all that was informative to you. Once again, as always, if you've got any questions, pick up the phone. We will always answer the phone. We love talking to people and making sure they get the best outdoor shower they can possibly have.